The first 3 lines of the Hello World program are comments. Anything following 2 forward slashes is ignored by the computer. It's just meant to help coworkers and yourself if you have to read your code 2 or 3 years later. The next 2 lines of code are compiler directives, and IO stream stands for input output stream, and cstdlib is short for C standard library. Along with the using namespace std, which stands for standard line of code, those 3 lines of code are required in practically every program that we write this semester. It's best just to memorize them at this time. The rest of the program here is a function. The name of the function is main. It takes no arguments in the parentheses, and int is short for integer. The keyword int matches up with the 0 that you're returning at the end of your function. We'll study that more later this semester. Notice that the body of the function main is indented for good style, and the body statements are all enclosed in a set of curly braces. It's always good to show that where the end of a function ends with a nice little optional but wise comment statement. And the most important line of code is cout, hello world, endl. Cout stands for console output, which means to display something on the screen. The phrase hello world is what we're choosing to display on the screen. The 2 output operators, I'll just call them sets of less than symbols, they just need to be there to separate the cout from the phrase that you're printing, and endl, which means end line. That's sort of equivalent to pressing the enter key on the keyboard to move your blinking cursor down to the next line. It's just good style to have it there in this particular program. For grading purposes in this course, I need the line of code system pause to always be typed just before the last line of code, which is also necessary in every program that we write this semester. A return 0, which means that the program ended normally with no errors.